In this video, we will learn how to calculate logarithm in RStudio. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. So now let's start. Researchers often performing log transformation on certain data. Logarithm calculates the power to which you must raise the base to get x. So in log function, we find the power to which we raise the base, any base function which may be 2, 3, 10 to get the x. For example, if we have x is equal to 243 and our base is 3, so we raise power 3 5 times to get the answer of 243. So the answer of log 243 is 5 with base 3. So the point to be noted here is we raise 3 power 5 times to get 43. So 5 is the log in this case. And in our console, we write it as log x is equal to 43, comma base is equal to 3. Because we want to calculate log with different base, it may be 2, 3, 10. So we perform this function in our console. Log x is equal to 243 with base 3. Its answer is 5, means 3 power 5 is equal to 243. 243 is our x and our base function is 3 and its power is 5. So log of 243 is 5 with base 3. Another type of log transformation is natural log. In natural log, base is fixed with e. E is Euler's number to give rise to exponential function. The default of log is assumed a natural log. In RStudio, if you simply write log, so by default it is programmed with e. Log 243. So this is the answer of log 243 because this base is this function, simple log function, has base e. This is the default setting in RStudio. And we also find the inverse of natural log and the command is exp. So let's perform this. Exp 243, enter. So here is the answer. Now I summarize. We have two types of logs. One log is with base natural log. Natural log means it raised to power with e. So this is the default setting in RStudio. You simply write log and the number which you want to find, you got the answer of log with base e. If you want to find the x value with different base like base 3, base 10, base 2, then you programmed like this. Log x is equal to 243, which is your x and the base function, and you got the answer of log. And similarly, if you want to find inverse of log, simply write exp and the number which you want to its inverse. Here is the answer. If you want to see videos on trunk function, ceiling function, correlation in RStudio, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.